Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make a fish, cod fish with sesame and balsamic vinegar. So this is all the ingredients. I have sesame oil, sesame seeds. I have black and white. If you don't have black, just go ahead use the white one. Then I have balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, broth, and sugar, garlic, ginger, and green onions, and of course my fish over here. Alright, so let's get started. So we're going to chop the ginger in a small piece. So the same thing in the garlic. We chop it. So this one's done also. Sticky. Now the onions, green onions. It seems so like that. Regardless. Goes. So now we put all that together except the green onions. Okay. I'll mix it well. And then you adjust your sugar. If it's so sour, add a little sugar. You just mix it until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, then we'll add the garlic. And the ginger. Then you adjust also your sodium if you want a little bit salty. For me it's fine. Now we are going to put the fish in here. And the pan. Look at that 2 pounds, it's so small, huh? And then we are going to put that sauce here. And now we're going to simmer it for like 15 to 20 minutes until the fish is cooked. There she is. Now we're going to cover up until the fish is cooked. Alright, I guess the fish is ready, so we sprinkle some of this green onions on top. And the fish is ready to go. Ready to serve. Turn up your fire and ready to serve. Alright everyone, here is my catfish with sesame and balsamic vinegar. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, God bless you all. See ya. Take care.